Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best grill lights in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 5. Cave Tools Barbecue Grill Light for Outdoor Grill. Fits round and square bars on any BBQ pit. 10 LED for grilling at night. BBQ grill and smoker accessories. Cave Tools Barbecue Grill Light for Outdoor Grill fits round and square bars on any BBQ pit. 10 LED for grilling at night. BBQ grill and smoker accessories. Grill lights for outdoor grill station. Brightness settings provide 100 plus lumens, which is the same light used in tactical applications for security guards, police, and firemen. Durable BBQ light. Aluminum handle mount clamp fits on rectangular and circular bars on any standard grill or smoker. Can use for inside grill if needed. Water and heat resistant. Built to withstand hot temperatures on the grill cover and nighttime grilling in the rain. Number 4. Co-Sign Barbecue Grill Light Magnetic Base Super Bright LED BBQ Lights 360-degree Flexible Gooseneck. Gifts for men, dad, boyfriend. Trade your Pit Boss Smoker Grill Accessories. Batteries included pack of 2. Super Bright The BBQ Light features 9 high-density LEDs. It provides a super bright and glare-free, wide light beam to illuminate your cooking area so that you do not have any problems cooking at any time of the day. Powerful magnetic base and flexible gooseneck. This feature allows you to easily mount your torch without any installation tools or technicalities. As long as your grill is made of a magnetic material, the gooseneck is made up of a flexible material and can adjust 360 degrees. Number 3. Weber Handle Grill N-Go Light, one size, gray. The Grill N-Go Light is a multifunctional grill light that easily attaches to the grill handle and also detaches for extra light where you need it. Its motion sensor turns on when the lid is lifted and turns off once closed to save battery life and added ease while grilling. If there's one thing for certain, you will love this clamp-style grill light for its convenience. Simply place it on the handle of the grill, and you will get the bright light you need for effortless grilling. Another plus, this grill light is just as stylish as it is easy to use, making it one of the coolest grill lights you can own. Number 2. Image Magnetic Ultra Bright Barbecue Grill Light with Super Bright LED Lights. Magnetic base, flexible gooseneck BBQ light for grilling, adjustable any gas, charcoal, electric grill white. One pair. Magnetic base design makes it easier to attach the grill light on the steel. It attaches to most metal surfaces and can be positioned anywhere, holding the light secure, such as car repair. Warm tips. In order to avoid causing you unnecessary trouble, we recommend testing the magnetic properties of the alloy products, alloy grill, before you buy this light. Because the composition ratio of alloy product is different, magnetic strength is different also. Some are not magnetic even. Number 1. LED Concepts BBQ Grill Lights Magnetic Base Super Bright LED Lights 360-degree Flexible Gooseneck. Weather Resistant. Task Lighting Barbecue Grilling 2. Grilling BBQ Lights 2-pack. Provides instant illumination exactly where you need it for outdoor BBQ grill lighting. Multipurpose task lighting for garage, workshop, office desk lamp, camping, reading, car repairing, sewing, and more. Heavy Magnetic Base. Powerful magnetic base allows you to firmly secure it to your grill in any position. Attaches and holds to most iron metal surfaces like BBQ grills or stovetops. Magnetic base ensures weight of the extendable light won't topple over. Flexible gooseneck. Bendable 4-inch gooseneck adjusts 360 degrees to illuminate any task. Simply twist or bend gooseneck to desired angle for lighting indoor/outdoor activities.